Ayan. Hello po, good evening everyone. Magandang gabi mga ma'am sir, magandang gabi. Ayan. Hello po, hello. Good evening po, good evening everyone. Good evening. Sige. Ayan. Magandang gabi po, magandang gabi sa lahat. Magandang gabi. Ayan, pa-comment po tayo ng up dyan mga ma'am sir. Pa-comment po ng up. Pa-comment po ng up dyan sa chat box natin para po ma-notify yung iba nating kasama. Ayan. Kaya ba today? Kasi kaninang 10 AM yata at saka 1 PM may coaching tayo na 4 hours tapos plus ngayon dalawang araw, dalawang oras pa. Ayan, sige. Ayan, pa-comment po ako ng up pa mga ma'am sir. Pa-comment po ng up, pa-comment ng up. Hello po. Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi. Ayan, another 50 item rationalization. Ayan, kayanin naman natin, mabilisan na naman po, mabilisan. Sinasanay ko kayo mabilisan mga ma'am sir kasi sa final coaching, yung ano natin, ang irara natin, unlike before na ang ginagawa namin before, 100 items lang, 8 AM to 5 PM. Ngayon, ang ginagawa namin, yung 4 hours, like 8 AM to 12, sa final coaching ha, ginagawa na naming 150 items yon. O, di ba? Ang laki ng difference. So that means kung ang schedule nyo sa final coaching is 8 AM to 5 PM, so dalawang 4 hours yon. Now, kung dalawang 4 hours, so in one day, makaano tayo ng 300 questions sa final coaching. O, di ba? Tapos, meron pa tayo sa ano, minsan meron tayong schedule ng 8 AM to 10 PM. So, bali, tatlong 4 hours yon, tatlong tig 150 questions. That means 450 questions. Ganun po. Sinasanay ko na kayo. Ngayon pa lang, medyo mabilis na yung coaching ko kasi nga, para sa final coaching, hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-adjust pa. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun po ang gagawin natin sa final coaching. And may schedule na tayo sa final coaching. I'll be posting that sa sa ano natin, final coaching group. Ayan, sige. Ayan, kung may mga kakilala tayo, mga kakilala kaklase or mga kamag-anak na magte-take ng March, pwede nyo silang i-invite dito mga ma'am sir sa review natin. Okay? Ayan, sige. Okay, ayan. Sige, bago tayo mag-start mga ma'am sir, pa-comment ako ng name nyo, LPT dyan sa chat box. Pa-comment po ng name nyo, LPT dyan sa chat box po. Hello. Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi. This is Teacher Seppi. Ayan, I'll be rationalizing again 50 questions for tonight. Ayan, so bukas si Coach Joshua na naman. Kaya laban tayo mga ma'am sir sa daily sessions natin. Kaya ba ang ano? Kaya ba ang 2 hours a day? Malapit na ang final coaching natin kasi malapit na yung exams, 'di ba? Ayan. Final coaching natin mag-start if I'm not mistaken nakaano sa sked. I'm just gonna check it. February, I think February 24 tayo mag-start. Ayan, February 24. Ayan, may pinakamahabang final coaching po ang TCRC. Ayan, sa lahat ng review center sa balat ng Pilipinas. TCRC ay may pinakamahabang final coaching. Ayan. Hello po. Hello. Good evening everyone. Good evening po. Good evening. Ayan. Audible po ba si Teacher Seppi mga ma'am sir? Audible po ba si Teacher Seppi? Ayan. Audible po ba si Teacher Seppi? Pa-comment po ako ng 1. Pa-comment po ako ng 1. Pa-comment ng 1 bago tayo mag-start. Ayan. Sige. Hello po. Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi. Uy, ayan na. Ang dami ng mga LPT. Ayan. Diyan sa chat box, bumabaha na. Ayan. Hello. Good evening everyone. Audible po ba si Teacher Seppi? Pa-comment po ng 1. Good. Sige, first question natin for tonight mga ma'am sir. Dito tayo sa ano. First question natin for tonight. Which of the following is not a carbohydrate? 1. Chitin, cellulose, lactase, or starch? Again, number 1. Which of the following is not a carbohydrate? Is it chitin, cellulose, lactase, or starch? Sagot? Ayan. O, ang sagot na yes po ay thank you so much. Ayan, audible po si Coach Seppi. Ayan. Or si Teacher Seppi, audible po. Ayan. Sige. First question natin, of course, mga ma'am sir, ang hindi carbohydrate dyan is lactase, mga ma'am sir. Kasi nga, pag ano, ang ano po neto, this is, ay wait lang, i-change ko pala. Hindi ko nakakalimutan ko i-change yung kulay ng ano ko pen. Okay. Ayan. So, lactase po, this is an enzyme. Okay. Ayan. Enzyme po that acts on lactose. Okay, ayan. Lactose po yung ano, yung carbohydrates. Pag lactase, enzyme po yun. Tandaan natin yung mga enzymes, mga ma'am sir, they end, I mean, yung suffix nila, eto po, eto, ASE po yan. Okay, kung ano yung pangalan ng nutrient, ganun din po dapat yung pangalan nila. Pero mag-e-end yung suffix nila is ASE. Cellulose, cellulase. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun siya. Carbohydrates, carbohydrates. Ganun po siya. Okay? Ayan. Tandaan nyo po yan. Screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cellulose, chitin, and starch are all polysaccharides. Ito siya ha. Mga complex sugars po yan sila. Chitin, primary component ng ano natin, hair at saka nails. And cellulose, if I'm not mistaken na, or mga ano ng arthropods. Ayan, or phylum Arthropoda. Okay, ayan. Cellulose is the primary component of the cell wall of plant cells, and starch is the stored sugar sa plants. Okay, stored sugar sa plants po si ano? Stored sugar sa plants. Okay, ayan. Plants po yan. Sige, puro sila mga polysaccharide yung tatlo. Pa-screenshot tayo. Polysaccharide. Polysaccharide. Ayan. Okay, ayan, double C yan ha, double C. Okay, polysaccharide, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po, how much topsoil is needed to cover garden? 25 feet by 40 feet to a depth of 6 inches. Ayan, o dito tayo. Dito tayo mga ma'am sir, dito tayo. Ayan, how much soil? Ayan, is needed to cover garden 25 feet by 40 feet to a depth of 6 inches. Is it 480 feet, 440 feet, cubic feet, I'm sorry, 500 cubic feet, or 6,000 cubic feet? Ayan, o ilan po yan mga ma'am sir? Remember, yung choices natin naka-cubic feet yan mga ma'am sir. So i-check natin lahat ng data sa problems kung naka-feet ba sila. Okay, feet, inches. Ngayon, i-convert natin to sa feet. Okay? Remember, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, di ba? Ayan. So that means 0.5 foot yung 6 inches, di ba? Okay, ayan. So how much topsoil? So that means volume yung hinihingi dyan mga ma'am sir. Length times width times the height, and that is equal to 25 times 40 times 0.5. Okay? Ayan. Oh, kalahati, ito, multiply muna natin. Kalahati ng 40 mga ma'am sir, that is 20, di ba? Ayan, 25 times 20 po, that gives us, ayan, wait lang kasi dito na naman ako nag-solve. Ayan, sorry. Okay, ayan. Ang tamang sagot natin dyan is 500, okay? Ayan, so ganito lang yan. That is 25 times 20, and that is 500 cubic feet. Nakuha? Screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Which are limited only to the sale of real property and stock transaction? Is it business incomes, capital gains, employment incomes, or passive incomes? Ayan. Oh, basic ano tayo? Alin daw dyan mga ma'am sir? Economics, business incomes, capital gains, employment incomes, or passive incomes. Remember, sale of real property. Ayan, kung sino naman po sa inyo dito nakabili ng real properties or stock transactions, ayan, sa Philippine stock market, meron po yan siya. And the answer here is capital gains tax po yan siya ang tawag natin. Okay? Capital gains tax. Okay, screenshot tayo mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Ayan, which of the following methods can all diabetic control their condition and avoid heart disease and blindness? Is it regulating their intake of glucose, or increase the levels of insulin in the body by taking insulin injections, or maintaining a reasonable exercise regimen to keep weight down? Is it 1, 2, 1 and 2, or 1 and 3? Ayan, dito tayo. Sagot, that is, of course, 1 and 3 lang yan mga ma'am sir. Regulating their intake of glucose, of course, kailangan natin i-control yung glucose-rich food like yung mga rice, yung mga grains, o di ba? Bread, mga ganon. Tapos, si number 2 mga ma'am sir, hindi po yan pwede. Hindi natin pwedeng mag-inject tayo ng mag-inject ng insulin kahit hindi naman, tawag natin, hindi naman siya prescribed ng doctor. Okay? Ayan. Insulin is not the answer actually. It's just a temporary relief. Okay? Ayan. Oh, maintaining a reasonable exercise regimen to keep weight down. Yes po. So that means letter D ang sagot natin. Screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. One package is 100 pounds and the other is 150 pounds. The weight of the second package is how many times that of the first? Ayan, o ilang ano daw, gaano daw kalaki yung second na ano parcel or yung package dun sa first package. Okay, so that's 150 divided by 100. Ganyan lang po. That is 1.5 times. Okay, or 1.5 times. That is letter A tayo. Okay, ayan. Sige, wait lang. Okay, that is 1.5. So that is 150 divided by 100. That gives us 1.5 or 1.5 heavier po siya. Okay? Ayan, screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1.5 heavier siya kumpara dun sa A. Okay? Sa first package. Okay, next. What correction should be made to this sentence? Firstborns often pattern their behavior after their parents and their adult and other adults. Is it replace there with there, or change pattern to patterned, or replace there to there, or no correction is necessary? Ayan. O, anong ano natin dyan mga ma'am sir? That is letter C tayo. Because this one, after their parents, ownership. Kaninong parent ba? Possession. Okay? Their parents, not this one is the contracted form of they are. Okay? Ayan, they are po yan. Which is not subject and the verb ang ano dapat natin dyan. Kasi kaninong parents? It's theirs. Okay? Ayan, pa-screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Ano ang ipinahiwatig ng salitang may salong guhit? Matayog ang lipad ni Pepe, kaya't bata pa siya'y nagsisikap na. Ayan, oh, that's matayog ang lipad ni Pepe means, anong sagot? That is, of course, mataas ang pangarap ni Pepe. Okay, ayan, screenshot tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. A carpenter wanted 3 pieces of wood, each 1.5 feet long. If he planned to cut them from 6 foot piece of wood, how much of the piece would be left? Ayan, oh. 1.5 feet daw ang bawat isang putol. Tapos, 3 putol daw. O, 3 putol. Tapos, ipuputulin niya yan sa 6 foot daw. Ano, magkano na lang ang natira? Magkano ang natira? Magkano ang natira? That is, okay. Letter B tayo dyan ng matitira mga ma'am sir. Kasi tatlo, di ba? 3 pieces na tagwa 1.5. 1.5. Ayan, 1.5. 1.5. O, ilan po ba yan? This is 3. And then, ito siya, tatlong ano? Magiging 4 na yan. Tapos, and 1/2. Di ba? Kasi ito siya, maging 1 na tong dalawang 1/2. Tama? Okay, 4.5. 6 minus 4.5. Ilan na lang ang natira? Ayan. O, ilan na lang ang natira mga ma'am sir? 1.5 din ang natira, which is letter B. Nakuha? Ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Where in the cell does chromatin or the DNA found or sister chromatin? Saan daw natin makikita yan mga ma'am sir? Is it in ribosomes, nucleus, ER, or centromere? Again, where in the cell does chromatin or DNA found? Ribosomes, nucleus, ER, or endoplasmic reticulum, or centromere? That is in the nucleus. Kasi nga, andito na, yes, sa nucleus po makikita yung mga ano na yan, yung mga DNA and RNA. Yung ribosomes naman, this is site of protein synthesis. Okay? Protein synthesis. Ayan. Tapos, yung ER naman, this is transporter. Okay? Transport. Tapos, lakihan natin yung ER kasi that's transporter or transporter endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? Ayan. Centromere naman, this is found in the DNA naman siya. Okay? Yung center niya. Okay. Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Which of the next 3 terms in the progression? Which are the next 3 terms in the progression? Ayan, 1 over 125 or negative 1 over 25 and then 1/5 or what's the next? Check muna natin mga ma'am sir para mas ano, okay? Ayan, to get 4. To get for the next term, ito muna ang gawin natin ha. Kasi kung nakikita nyo, this is geometric progression. Okay, geometric progression, so that means may constant tayo na multiplier. So i-divide natin. Lagi, to get for the ratio is the second divided by the first. Ganon, okay? Or this one divided by this, okay? Ayan. So, 1/5 divided by negative 1 over 25 para makuha natin yung multiplier niya mga ma'am sir, okay? Ayan. Oh, How to do divide fractions? This is 1/5. I-retain natin yan. Change the division to multiplication and take the reciprocal. That is negative 25/1. Okay? Then cancel natin by 5 mga ma'am sir kasi pag multiply ng fractions, numerator, denominator lang po ang cancellation natin. Hindi pwedeng denominator, denominator. Hindi rin pwedeng numerator, numerator. Okay? Numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator. Or magkabila or parehong side ng fraction, pwede. Basta numerator, denominator. Cancel natin by 5. 5 divided by 5, this is 1. 25 divided by 5, this is 5 po. Okay? And then multiply natin numerator, numerator na denominator, denominator. That is negative 5/1 or that is negative 5 po. Yan yung multiplier natin. Okay? Oh. So that means, ayan, dito na naman ako nag-solve. Di ko naman kinuha yung ano. Wait lang. Lipat tayo sa kabila. Okay, ayan. So, so ang multiplier natin or common ratio here is negative 5. Multiply natin itong 1/5. Kunin lang natin. That is 1/5 times negative 5. Oh, understood my 1 yan mga ma'am sir dyan. Oh, cancel natin by 5. This is 1. By 5, this is negative 1. Multiply lang natin yan. That is negative 1/1 or negative 1. So ito yung sunod dito. Ang kasunod dito mga ma'am sir is negative 1. Saan bang may negative 1? Letter D. Kaya letter D na agad ang sagot natin kasi walang ibang negative 1 dyan. Nakuha? Okay. Pa-screenshot mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. What correction should be made to this sentence? Most fire-related deaths result from household fires, yet many people do not have fire extinguishers in their homes. Ayan, alin daw dyan mga ma'am sir? Remove the comma after fires or change result to results or change have to has or replace deaths to deaths. Ayan, o anong sagot? That is yes po. Ayan, eto naman tayo, possessive noun na naman tayo. Most fire-related deaths. Ayan, dapat, eto fire-related death, hindi siya possessive noun, naka-noun lang dapat tayo dyan, plural noun, okay? Ayan, plural noun, kaya dapat ganito siya, okay? Fire-related deaths, okay? Ayan, this function as an adjective po. Ayan, sige, sige. So that is letter D tayo. Fire-related deaths. Ayan. Oh, may mga question na lumalabas pa na salit na ganito ha. Ayan. Sige po. Screenshot pala. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. To pass her English test, Lucille must get 75% of the items correct. Out of 80 questions, how many must she correctly answer? Alin dyan mga ma'am sir? Oh, kung 75% ang kukunin niya, so that means ang 75% para mas mabilis mga ma'am sir, ayan, change natin yan into fraction. That's 75/100 kasi nga percent means per 100 or over 100, okay? So 75/100 mga ma'am sir times 80. Cancel natin isang 0. And then eto naman by 5, this is 15, 'di ba? Ayan, by 5, this is 2. 8, eto naman, ganun lang, cancel lang tayo. Nakuha nyo, nasundan nyo? Ang natira dito, 8 by 2. O, i-divide natin to ng 2. 1 divided by 2, this is 4. O, 15 times 4 na lang, mga ma'am, sir. That means 60 po yan. Nakuha? Nakuha? Ayan, o, andito na naman ako nag-solve. Ayan, so that means dito tayo and that is 60, okay? Ayan, lagi nating tandaan nito mga ma'am sir ha. Ayan, ganun na lang natin fraction tapos cancel na lang tayo para mas mabilis nating makuha. Kasi nga kung i-multiply pa natin 75 0.75 times 80, ayan, that is prone to mistake na. Kasi nga we're dealing with decimal and then ang decimal kasi it takes time para i-solve, okay? Cancel lang tayo para makasave tayo ng oras during the actual LET exams. Okay? Ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Dito tayo. Which is the best way to write the underlined portion of the sentence? The hosts also benefit from running such a business because they can stay at home, make money, and meeting a variety of people. Ayan. Again, which is the best way to write the underlined portion of this sentence? The hosts also benefit from running such a business because they can stay at home, make money, and meeting a lot of people. Ayan, sagot. Letter C. Parallelism tayo dyan mga ma'am sir ha. At dito ha, can stay at home, can make, ayan, money, and can meet. Dapat ito siya, meet. Okay? Ayan. Sige, sige. Dapat yan meat. Okay, ayan. Oh, hindi naman natin pwedeng gawing can stay at home or can or staying at pwede siyang staying at home, making money and meeting a variety of pwede 'yon. Kaso lang ang naka-underline kasi yung ing sa kaya 'yun ang i-change natin and that conforms with the parallelism principle. Pa-screenshot 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 next po. Where in the cell does chromatin DNA na ano na 'to kanina bumalik lang mga ma'am sir, ayan bumalik lang yung question na yun, sorry. Refers to a sequence of organism in a community that constitute a feeding chain. Feeding chain po, feeding chain. Ayan, feeding chain that is food chain. Feeding chain po, feeding chain. Ayan, pa-screenshot tayo mga ma'am sir. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. Excessive presence of carbon dioxide in the air, trapping heat near the Earth's surface, causing a rise in temperature in the environment. Ayan. O, anong sagot natin dyan? El Nino, greenhouse effect, deforestation, or weather disturbance. Again, excessive presence of carbon dioxide in the air, trapping heat near the Earth's surface, causing a rise in temperature in the environment. El Nino, greenhouse effect, deforestation, or weather disturbance. Sagot, greenhouse effect. Okay? Trapping heat near the Earth's surface. Ang mangyayari kasi diyan mga ma'am sir, yung ozone natin which is O3 tapos nagre-release tayo ng pero ngayon naman wala na masyado yung mga appliances natin dati kasi nagre-release ng chlorofluorocarbons. Yung carbon na yun mga ma'am sir, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon, yung carbon na yan, magre-react yan dito sa ozone. And that will produce 2 atoms of oxygen plus carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is one of the dangerous dangerous gas. Ayan, pag na-inhale natin 'yan. Ayan, kaya ang sinasabi nila may butas na daw sa may butas ganito ganyan ganyan. Ayan. Actually, it's not butas, it's getting thinner, okay? Ayan, kasi nga nababawasan yung ozone, ayan, which is O3 kasi nagre-react sila sa mga CFCs. Ngayon, yung mga appliances natin dati nagre-release ng CFCs pero ngayon hindi na masyado kasi nga design na sila to conform with the Kyoto protocols on climate change. And ang ano na lang ngayon, ang problema na lang natin are the air fresheners and stuff, ganun. Okay? Ayan. So mga insecticide na ayan, yun pong nagko-cause ng tawag nito, depletion ng ozone. Ayan, pati din po yung mga industrial complexes. Ayan, pa-screenshot. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. Siddhartha Gautama Buddha founded Buddhism not as a religion but to ayan, alam niyo yan 'di ba? Yung highest, sorry. Hala, ba't ganito? Ayan. Sorry, wala palang wait lang Ayan, this is the correct answer for that to find nirvana or the highest form of happiness or nirvana which is ay bakit? Wait lang po, kasi magra-run through tayo mamaya. Di ko nakita, wala palang sagot. Ayan, sige po, pa-screenshot mga ma'am sir. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Ayan, sige. Move on tayo sa next question. Sumerian civilization flourished in Sumerian Sumerian sa Sumer. Ayan yung capital nila, 'di ba? Ur. Ayan, the city of Ur. Sumerian civilization, sila yung nag-start ng calendar system, dikes, ano pa ba, irrigation system. Ayan, sila po yung nag-ano diyan. Okay? Yan yung contribution nila sa modern civilization. Ayan, so that flourished in Mesopotamia. Ayan, between Euphrates rivers and Tigris. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Pa-screenshot po mga ma'am sir. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. What value of x will make the proportion correct? 12 is to x is to 2.4 is to 5. Ayan. O anong sagot natin diyan mga ma'am sir? Sige po. Pa-comment po muna mga ma'am sir, pa-comment po diyan sa chat box. Ayan, pa-comment po diyan sa chat box mga ma'am sir. Ayan, pa-comment sa chat box, pa-comment po sa chat box. Wait lang po, may ano lang po si Teacher Sepi. Ayan, pa-comment po muna ng mga sagot natin diyan sa chat box. Ayan. Hello po. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening everyone. Pa-comment po ng mga sagot natin dyan sa chat box mga ma'am sir. Ayan. Hello po. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Wait lang po in a bit. Okay. Ayan na. Sorry po. Okay. So that is letter B tayo dyan. Okay. So ganito lang yan mga ma'am sir. 12 is to x. Tapos is equal to 2.4 is to 5. O, 'di ba? Ayan. Ano bang ginawa natin kay ano? Anong ginawa natin kay 2 so ganito na lang. 12. Anong ginawa natin kay 12 para naging ano siya? Para naging tawag nito, naging 2.4. Dinivide lang po natin ng 5 yan, okay? So that means etong x na to, dinivide lang natin ng 5, dinivide ng 5 naging 5. O ano yung number na i-divide natin ng 5 naging 5? So that means it is 25, okay? Pwede natin yan baliktarin mga ma'am sir, yung analysis natin dyan, okay? Ayan, 2.4 is to 5. Ayan, so eto ha, 2.4. Anong ginawa kay 2.4 para naging ano? Pagbaliktarin natin ha, naging 12. So minultiply lang po si 2.4 ng 5 para naging 12. Ngayon, ano naman ang i-multiply natin, si 5 naman, same pa rin po, times 5 natin yan. So 5 times 5, that means it is 25. Nakuha nyo? Pwede natin baliktarin. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Halimbawa, isa pa tayo. 3 is to 4 is equal to 30 is to x. O, di ba? So, anong ginawa lang kay 3 para naging 30? Minultiply siya ng 10. So, multiply na natin ito siya ng 10. Ganun lang po. Times 10. So, that means 40 po yan. Okay? Para mas mabilis yung ano, sagutan natin. Kasi kung multiply pa natin, 40 times 30 divided by 3, ayan, it will take time na. Okay? Ayan, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. There are 14 men in a committee consisting of 35 members. What is the ratio of women to men? Ayan. O, ito ha. Women to men tayo ang ratio. Ayan. So, 14 daw ang men out of 35 members. So, that means 35. Ayan, that is 3 is to 2 mga ma'am sir, okay? Ayan, so women to men. Ayan. 35 daw ang members lahat, pero 14 doon ang men. This is the men, okay? So ilan ang women? That is 21. This is women, okay? Ayan, so 21 is to 14. Ganun po. Kasi 21 ang women, 14 ang men. Ngayon, pwede pa natin itong ano, mga ma'am sir, divide natin ng 7, divide ng 7 para maging simpler version na siya, okay? Ayan, so that is 3 is to 2, di ba po? 21 divided by 7 is 3, and then 14 divided by 7 is 2. That is letter B. Okay, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Ayan. Plants and animals are both blank prokaryotes, eukaryotes, herbivores, or omnivores. Again, plants and animals are both prokaryotes, eukaryotes, herbivores, or omnivores. Ayan. O, anong sagot natin dito mga ma'am sir? Yes po, that means eukaryotes po. Hindi po pwedeng prokaryotes without defined nucleus po 'yan, okay? Ayan, without defined nucleus ang prokaryotes. Okay? Tandaan po natin 'yan. Hindi din herbivores, hindi lahat, hindi po ano, because plants are producers, okay? Ayan, producers. Hindi po sila ano, hindi din lahat ng animals herbivores, 'di ba? So wala na po ito. Omnivores, hindi rin lahat ng animals omnivores, 'di ba? So C and D are all not the answers. It's just between letters A and B. Kaso lang si prokaryotes without defined nucleus, and plants and animals have defined nucleus. That's why letter B tayo. Okay? Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Plants are producers. They cannot be consumers or herbivores or omnivores or carnivores. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. A vehicle consumes 2.5 liters of gasoline to travel 30 kilometers to the nearest tent. How many liters of gasoline will it take for the vehicle to travel 408 kilometers? That is, ayan, 34 po yan mga ma'am sir. Tandaan natin, ayan, 2.5 is to 30 kilometers is equal to X is to 408. Ayan. O, eto siya. Medyo ano na to mga ma'am sir. Malakihan. Tapos may decimal tayo. May decimal tayo mga ma'am sir. Wait lang po. Ayan, oh, may decimal tayo dito. So multiply lang natin 'yan. That is 30x is equal to 2.5 times 408. Okay, ayan. So dito tayo mga ma'am sir, divided by 30 divided by 30. So in this case po, Ayan, o nakuha nyo na, nakuha? Ayan, sige. Try natin to i-multiply mga ma'am sir. Dalawang 408, that is 816. Tapos kalahati ng 408 is 204. Okay? Ayan, so that means it is 1,020. 1,020 divided by 30, that gives us how much? Ayan, 102 divided by 3. Yes, that is 34. Okay, ayun, nakuha natin. Okay, ayan, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nag-cancel-cancel lang ako mga ma'am sir. Ito, minultiply ko lang. Dalawang 408, that is 816. Tapos, kalahati pa ng 408 is 204. Inad ko lang yan, that is 1,020. 1,020 divided by 30, cancel yung dalawang zeros. Ayan, so 102 divided by 3, that is 34. Okay? Ayan, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The payments is due blank October. Ayan, October is a month. So, anong gagamitin natin? At is specific time of the day. On is days and dates, and in is months and years. Okay, ayan. So this is specific time of the day. Like for example, at 2 p.m., at 3 p.m. of the day. Ayan. At 3:30, mga ganon. Okay? Ito naman, name ng days or dates. Okay? Ayan. So that is on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, or on April 12. Ganon. Okay? Ito naman, months. And October is a month, so we use in. Okay? Ayan, seasons. Ayan. Or years. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. What level of organization would result to the combination of two cells? Combination of two cells? Combination of two cells, tissue, organ, organ system, or ecosystem. Anong sagot? Anong sagot po natin mga ma'am sir? Ano po ang sagot natin? Ayan, hello po. Good evening everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Ayan, sa mga mga ma'am sir ha, yung mga friends natin, mga kakilala natin, mag-start na po ang final coaching natin sa February 24. Ayan, February 24. Yes po teacher, kaso mas medyo malayo pa, hindi. 30 days na lang. Final coaching na ng TCRC. Kaya message niyo po ako kung may kakilala kayo or mga kaibigan kayo, mga kaklase na mag-take ngayong March 2026. Okay? Ayan, sige. Kausapin ko yung coaching team kung magkano yung ibibigay na nating rate. Ayan, magkano bang gusto nyo? Okay, ayan. Sige, sige. Dito tayo, dito tayo. That is, of course, tissue. Ayan. So, that is, ayan. Hierarchical organization natin, cells, tissues, I'm sorry. Ayan, tissues. Then organ. Tapos yung organ system. Tapos organism. Ayan. Ito dito lang muna tayo. Ayan, organism tapos of course population, ano pa ba? Then community. Ayan. Tapos ang sunod niyan ecosystem. And then we have the biosphere. Okay? Ayan. Okay, ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Ayan. What do we call a poem with 14 lines or iambic lines and a specific rhyme scheme? Dalawa dito. We have the Petrarchan and the Shakespearean. Ayun, yung dalawang pinaka-famous. Pero marami actually uri ng ganito. Okay? Ayan. Pero yung pinaka-famous talaga is the Italian or Petrarchan sonnet. Ayan, nasabi ko na sonnet. Oo, and ano po, tawag nito? Shakespearean. Itong haiku mga ma'am sir, 3 lines lang po 3-line Japanese poem, 'di ba? Ayan, Japanese poem, okay? Ayan, 3 lines lang po 'yan mga ma'am sir. That is 575 naman yung ano niya, okay? Ayan, sige. Okay, ayan. Lamenting the Dead. This is about dead po ang elegy. Pa-screenshot po 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Basta 14 iambic lines with specific rhyme scheme that is sonnet. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo, 24% of what number is 4,320? Again, 24% of what number is 4,320. Ano yung ano natin dyan mga ma'am sir? Okay, ayan. 'Di ba sabi ko sa inyo 'pag percentage, we have to change that into over 100. So 24 over 100. Cancel natin 'yan ng ano mga ma'am sir? Ayan, cancel natin siya ng by 4. So this is 6 by 4, this is 25. O ayan. 6 and then what number is x? Ilagay natin diyan. 6x over 25 is equal to 4,320. Okay? Ayan. So cross multiply lang natin 'yan. Understood my one here? Cross multiply 6x is equal to 25 times 4,320. Okay? Ayan. 25 times 4,320 divided by 6 natin yan kasi we're looking for the x. 6 pala, I'm sorry. Ayan, so cancel natin to. So x is equal to, ayan, pwede ba tayong mag-cancel dito mga ma'am sir? Pwede ba tayong mag-cancel? Yes, ayan, pwede na tayong mag-cancel dito. 43 divided by 6, we have 7. Remainder 1, di ba? Ayan, 12 na yon. 12 divided by 6, that is 2 naman. Okay, ayan. And then, 0, 720 yon. Okay, ayan. So, cancel natin by 6, this is 1. 25 times 720, 25 times 720 po. Ayan, of course, sulat na natin yung 0. 25, 72 times 25 mga ma'am sir, 72 times 25 lang. 25, 25, 100. And 18, okay, ayan. So, ang ginagawa ko kasi ganito mga ma'am sir, ayan. Ilagay ko na yung 0 dito. 'Di ba wala tayong calculator, lagay yung 0. Tapos, i-divide ko to ng 4. 72 divided by 4, that is 18. Pero yung 4 na yun, na-divide ko, i-multiply ko yan dito, magiging 100. Okay, 100 times 18, that is 1,800. O, nakuha na natin yung 18,000. Nakuha? Again, pwede niyong balikan tong video na to mga ma'am sir ha. Pwede niyo pong balikan yung ano, yung video na to para po ma-master niyo tong ano. Ayan, konting mental or mental math lang mga ma'am sir. Konting ano lang, konting mekos-mekos lang 'yan. Okay? Balikan niyo po itong video na to para makuha niyo kung paano ginawa ni Teacher Seppi. Okay? Ayan. Sige po, screenshot 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 pa. Pero pag ito yung question na lalabas sa actual ayan, matik na yan 18,000, okay? What is the geometric shape of the Earth? Ayan. Oh, ito, very common question ito. Gasgas na ito sa let. Pero laging bumabalik. Ayan. So, what is the geometric shape of the Earth? That is oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. Next. How many neurons are present in a newborn baby? Ilang neurons daw meron yon? Ilang neurons meron? Ilang neurons? Ilang neurons? Ayan. Sige, sige po. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-take ng mockboard natin ha, dyan sa ano, naka-post na po lahat yung 15 sets ng Prof. Ed and Gen Ed. I-take nyo na yun mga ma'am sir kasi pagdating sa final coaching natin, gahol na tayo sa oras. Okay? Gahol na tayo sa oras. Baka hindi nyo na ma-take yung ano kasi nga, yung final coaching natin, 12 days, 12 days ang ano, 12 days ang final coaching ng Prof. Ed and Gen Ed and 3 days naman ang final coaching ng Major Ship. 8 AM to 10 PM 'yon. Okay? Ayan, per day. Ayan, kaya ba? Oh, hindi na wala na tayong oras pag final coaching. Kaya ngayon pa lang dapat tapusin na natin ang pagsagot ng mga mockboards na posted na po diyan sa private group natin. Okay? Ayan, dito sa private group natin. Ayan. Sige, 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 sige po, sige po. Okay. Ayan. How many neurons are present in a newborn baby? That is, of course, 100. Actually, nasa ano yon mga ma'am sir? Nasa tawag nito? Nasa 60 billion to 80 billion. Ayan. Yung pinakamalapit lang kasi dyan is 100 billion. Hindi natin pwedeng sagot ang 10 million or 1 billion kasi sobrang layo. Okay? Ayan. So, letter D tayo. Let's go for letter D for this. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Ayan. Alin daw dyan? Ayan. What is the equivalent fraction of the decimal number 0.45454545? Ayan. Anong ano natin dito? Ayan. Sige, sige, sige. Dito tayo, dito tayo, dito tayo. Ayan. Final coaching natin, mag-start na tayo mga ma'am sir ha. Mag-start tayo ng February 24 o 1 month na lang, 30 days na lang final coaching na natin. Pero of course, focus pa rin tayo sa daily sessions natin ha. Daily sessions natin Monday to sa Sunday with our top 1 coaches and teacher Sepi. Tapos sa ano naman natin majorship din, okay? Focus muna tayo doon. Sa final coaching natin, February 24 mag-start. Tawag nito, bibigyan namin kayo ng ilang days lang to finish all the mock boards. Tapos after nun, bakbakan na tayo sa 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. na sessions. Okay? 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. sessions. Kaya ngayon, si Teacher Sebi medyo nagmamabilis kasi nga nagmamagaling. Ayan, medyo mabilis para masanay kayo na yung TCRC final coaching is mabilisan lang talaga. Okay? Ayan, so kailangan natin i-roll natin yung brain cells or i-ano natin yung brain cells natin. Ngayon pa lang, mag-umpisa na tayong hugas-hugasan yung mga naano na mga brain cells. Ano? Kasi sa final coaching natin, mga ma'am sir, talagang mauubos yung ano natin, brain cells. Kailangan marami tayong reserba. Kaya medyo hugas-hugasan na natin yung mga kinalawang na ng mga brain cells. Okay? Ayan, sige, sige, sige. Okay, ayan. So, dito tayo sa question na to mga ma'am sir. Tamang sagot dyan is, of course, letter, ayan. Oh, 'di ba 0.4545 is almost, this one is almost 0.5, 'di ba po? Check natin mga ma'am sir, itong 1/3 isang ano din, dapat memorize na natin yung mga basic fractions, decimals and percentage conversions ha. Like for example, 1/4 is 1/4 in fraction, 25% in percentage and 0.25 in decimal, ganun. Dapat memorize na natin kasi pag lumabas yung mga ganitong questions, or yung ano natin from i-arrange natin yung fractions from largest to smallest or smallest to largest, mabilis natin kasing ma-arrange yun in decimal pag iano natin sa decimal, okay? Ayan, 1/3 is 0.3333. Ayan, 0.333 yan. Ito namang 4/5 is 0.8 yan. Ito naman mga ma'am sir, that is 2.2. Ayan, o, 'di ba? 2.2. So alin diyan? Alin diyan? O, wala na, 'di ba? 0.33, 0.08, I mean 0.8 and then 2.2 tayo dito. So that means letter C na tayo diyan. Almost 1/2 na oh. Si 5 almost I mean 5 is almost 5.5 which is 1/2 ng 11, 'di ba? Kaya dito tayo kay letter C. Nakuha? Ayan, o ganun lang mga ma'am sir, basic lang siya. Okay, ayan. Sige, sige, sige. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Ayan. Sa final coaching din natin, tulad ng ginagawa namin ngayon mga ma'am sir, may run through din tayo sa last part ng video. Kaya kung medyo gahol na kayo sa oras para i-review yung video, pwede na natin gawin yung last part na lang yung run through. Keywording and sagot na lang tayo, ganun. Okay? Ayan. Sige, sige, dito tayo. Human reproduction, when an ovum is combined with a sperm leading to development of an embryo, this form of reproduction is called binary fission, fertilization, budding, asexual reproduction. Ayan. Oh, anong sagot natin dito? Comment, comment po ng sagot natin. Comment, comment po. Ayan, oh. Kung may kakilala kayong mga ano ha, kaibigan or tawag nito, mga classmates or mga kamag-anak na mag-take ngayong March 2026 let tapos ano, kailangan pa nila ng konting push, just tell them to message me, okay? Message me kung gusto nilang sumali sa humabol sa ano natin, pre-final coaching natin na ginagawa ngayon or sa final coaching natin, okay? Ayan, sige po, sige po. Okay, that is, of course, letter fertilization. Asexual reproduction involves no, sex cells or any ano po, okay? Sexual activity, okay? Asexual. And kasama dyan ang budding and binary fission ng mga bacteria, okay? Ayan, sige po. So, that's fertilization. Asan ba nangyayari ang fertilization sa humans? Sige nga, pag-i-question, ay ipagtanungin yung ano, saan nangyayari ang fertilization? Is it in the fallopian tube, in the uterus, or in the cervix, or in the ovary? Saan ba? Saan nangyayari ang fertilization? Pa-comment nga, pa-comment. Sa human, saan nangyayari ang fertilization sa human? O, pa-comment, pa-comment, pa-comment saan nangyayari ang fertilization sa human. Okay, nangyayari siya sa, ayan, oh, sa fallopian tube. Very good. Ayan, sa fallopian tube po nangyayari ang fertilization sa humans. Tapos, pag ano na, nag-meet na yung sperm at saka egg cell, tawag na natin doon zygote, 'di ba? Ayan, this zygote is going to travel, ayan, travel papuntang ibang bansa. Hindi, magta-travel na siya papunta doon sa uterus at saka mag-undergo na siya doon sa implantation process doon sa uterine lining. Okay? Ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. My sister and I met an acquaintance of blank in the shopping mall as ours, mine, ourselves. Again, ayan. My sister and I met an acquaintance of blank in the shopping mall. Ayan. Anong sagot natin diyan? Anong sagot natin dito mga ma'am sir? That is. Okay, ayan. So in this question, ayan, ang sagot natin diyan of course ours. My sister and I, okay? And then kanino bang acquaintance 'yon? It's ours, possessive pronoun, okay? Pa-screenshot 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. Polysaccharides, polypeptides, and nucleic acids are classified as carbohydrates, acids and bases, phospholipids, or macromolecules. Anong sagot? Sagot natin for this. Sagot natin. Sagot. Ayan. Sige po. That is macromolecules. Ayan. Polysaccharides, these are carbohydrates, of course. Carbohydrates, ayan. Kasama yan sa macromolecules. Polypeptides, proteins. Ayan. Proteins, and of course nucleic acids are also macromolecules. Okay, pa-screenshot. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. Which of the following is the site of blood cell production? Ayan. Alin daw dyan mga ma'am sir? Alin daw dyan? Alin daw dyan? Alin daw dyan? Alin daw dyan? Okay. Alin daw? Alin daw? Okay, so for this question, of course, tamang sagot natin dyan is bone marrow. Doon po ginagawa yung ano ha, sa bone marrow po yung red blood cell. Okay, production ng red blood cells. Kaya nga po, pag may, ang isang ano natin, ang isang tao pag may leukemia, doon po siya, kailangan po siyang magkakaroon ng bone marrow transplant. Okay, ayan. Kasi pag leukemia, that means our bone marrow is not functioning well. Ayan, so kailangan natin magkaroon ng transplant. Okay? Ayan. Sige po. Pa-screenshot mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Sige po. Next tayo. Ayan. Next tayo, change 13.5% to its fraction form. Ayan, okay. Nagpakita na ako kanina, di ba? Nagpakita na ako. Is it 27/2, 27/20, or 0.135, or 27/200? Ayan, sige. Oh, dito tayo. That's 27/200 mga ma'am sir. Remember, this is percentage, di ba? Oh, i-change natin yan sa decimal. So, that's 0.135. Oh, ito, decimal pa lang yan ha. Paano natin i-change sa fraction? Remember, may tatlong decimal places dyan, di ba? 1, 2, 3. Ayan. So, tatlong zeros din yan dyan. Tapos, lagyan ng 1. Lagay natin si 135, whole number na. I-divide natin ng by 5 yan mga ma'am sir. By 5 po. Para ma-simplify natin. So, 135 divided by 5 is 27. 1,000 divided by 5, that is 200. Pwede pa ba i-simplify natin? Hindi na kasi wala ng common factor between 27 and 200. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next question. In a periodic table, what does Ag stand for? Astatine, lead, silver, or gold? Ayan. O, anong sagot? Anong sagot po? Anong sagot? Okay, ayan. So for this, yes po, ayan. Pag AG na yan mga ma'am sir, AG. That is silver. Okay, ayan. AG, Ang silver kasi kasama siya ng gold gano'n, na-retain pa rin nila yung ano, na-retain nila yung, tawag nito, yung Latin name nila, okay? So this comes from Argentum. Ayan, which is silver. Okay? Gold naman, this is aurum. Kaya AU nga yung ano, AU yung ano ng tawag nito, ng gold. Ang lead naman is plumbum. Ayan, plumbum. Kaya yung tawag nito, symbol ng lead is ayan, PB. Okay? Ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. What is the number invented by Indians to complete the Hindu-Arabic numerals? I think bumalik to dati sa ano natin. Ayan, wait lang po. Okay, ayan. Sige. So for this question, that is zero, di ba? Ayan, zero was invented by Indians. Tapos ang 1 to 9 mga ma'am sir, Indians. And then 1 to 9, Arabs naman. Okay, ayan. Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Which of the following is not a characteristics of life? Reproduction, movement, nerve impulses, or nutrition? Ayan. Sige, sige. Which of the following is not a characteristics of life? Okay, which of the following is not a characteristics of life? That is nerve impulses, mga ma'am sir. Reproduction. Remember yung ano natin ha, yung mnemonic natin, Mrs. Gren. Ayan, Mrs. Gren. Ano yung Mrs. Gren na yan, Teacher Seppi? M is for movement. Ayan, movement. Tapos reproduction naman si ano, reproduction si R. Tapos sensitivity naman si ano, sensitivity si S. Tapos growth naman and development. Ayan, iano ko na lang. Tapos, this is respiration. Okay, respiration. May gaseous exchange yan. Tapos, excretion naman, nagre-remove ng waste ang living organism. And nutrition, of course, kumakain ang mga living organisms. Okay? Ayan, pag hindi na ano, pag hindi to na-conform ng isang object or organism, that means hindi siya living thing. Pag hindi niya na-conform yung pito, kahit may isa pa siyang kulang dyan, that means hindi siya living organism. Okay? Ayan, so that's Mrs. Gren, movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth and development, respiration, excretion, and nutrition. Nerve impulses is just part of ano, messages. Ito yung messages na inaano ng mga neurons natin or neurotransmitters. Okay? Ayan. Sige po. Pa-screenshot po mga ma'am sir. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next tayo. Ayan, what is the product of a number and its reciprocal? Again, what is the product of a number and its reciprocal? Ano daw ang product ng number and its reciprocal? Ayan. Ano daw ang product ng ano natin, ng ano, number at saka reciprocal? So ganito lang yan mga ma'am sir. A number, shall we say, ganito ha, a number, pag i-abstract natin yan, shall we say, yung number na to is x. So a number, ito yung number, at saka reciprocal niya mga ma'am sir. Pag sinabi natin reciprocal, halimbawa, 2. Ito yung number. Ang reciprocal niya mga ma'am sir, over 1 po yan. So that's 1 over 2. Yan yung reciprocal. Ngayon, kung ang number natin is x, ang reciprocal niya is 1 all over x. Tapos product nila mga ma'am sir. Understood yan na may 1 dyan na denominator. Okay? So cancel lang natin yan mga ma'am sir. This is 1. X divided by x is 1. Of course, multiply natin yan. Multiply, that is 1 over 1 or just 1. Okay? So ang final answer natin is letter C. Nakuha? Pa-screenshot mga ma'am sir. Wait lang. Try ko ilipat. Ala, hindi ko malipat. Sige, ito na lang. Ayan. So, dito tayo dyan mga ma'am sir. Okay? Ayan. Oh. A number is always x. Okay. I-try natin kung number natin is, halimbawa, ang number natin is 4. A product of 4 and its reciprocal. Understood may ano yan? 4 over 1, di ba? So, reciprocal niya is 1/4. Okay? Understood may 1. Cancel natin si 4 at saka 4. 1, 1 pa rin yan. So, that means 1 over 1 or 1 pa rin. Okay? Ayan. Kahit ano yan mga ma'am sir. Ayan, kahit ano yan, kahit anong number, same pa rin. Ang product nila at saka yung reciprocal nila is letter C. Okay, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. What measure of central tendency can best describe the size of t-shirts commonly used by teenagers? Ayan. Size ng t-shirts na ginagamit ng mga teenagers, mga ma'am sir. Ayan. Paano ba natin yan anuhin? That is, of course, hindi natin maano yung mean. Halimbawa, small plus small plus small. Hindi natin maano siya quantitatively. Di ba? Media naman, hindi rin pwede. Pwede siyang ano, halimbawa, pareho yung dalawang or even halimbawa o ganito, small, small, medium and then large. So pwedeng ang media natin is S kasi middlemost, 'di ba? Eto pwede siya. Kaso lang kung halimbawa even yung number of data and then small, small, small and then medium and then large. Oh. Eto yung dalawang middle. Pwede ba natin i-add S plus M divided by 2? Hindi. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So hindi applicable sa lahat si median. So it's mode. Kung sino yung pinakamarami, yun at yun na yun. Okay? Screenshot 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. What number completes the sequence? 320, 440, 560, or 800? Again, what number completes the sequence? Ayan, 320, 440, 560, blank, and then 800. So, that is 680 mga ma'am sir. Kasi nga, nag-add lang tayo ng how much dito? Nag-add lang tayo ng 120. Add tayo ng 120. Add tayo ng 120 dito. That gives us 680. Okay? Ayan. Then add tayo ng 120. That's 800 na. Screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The fraction halfway between 3/7 and 4/7 is, ayan, so that is 1/2. Again, 3/7 and then 4/7. Ano bang 1/2 dyan? So that's 3.5/7 din. Okay? Halfway between. Ngayon, ilang 3 point, i-ano natin ng 3.5 yun mga ma'am sir kasi nga 7 at saka 3.5 may common sila. Divide natin ng 3.5 divided by 3.5. Ayan, this is 1. And then i-divide natin ng 3.5, that gives us 2, okay? Or 1/2 po yan, okay? Screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Which about the following best demonstrates the greenhouse principle? Is it a heated aquarium, a car with rolled up windows, or a microwave oven, or a solar battery powered calculator? Ayan, anong sagot? That is, ayan, a car with rolled up windows. Ayan, try nyo po. Kahit sa kwarto mga ma'am sir, isara, tapos sobrang init, mga siguro mga 12 or 1 p.m. Isara nyo yung mga bintana at saka pinto. Ayan. Tapos i-tape nyo pa. Ayan. Ayaw nyo maniwala? Sige, gawin. Ayan, sige. Ayan, a car with rolled up windows or naka-close na windows. Ayan, sobrang init noon basta pag walang aircon, di ba? Ayan, so that's greenhouse effects or greenhouse principle. Screenshot 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. A losing senatorial candidate may file a protest against the winner. What body will assume jurisdiction over the case? Is it the Supreme Court? Is it the Electoral Tribunal or COMELEC or Regional Trial Court? Anong sagot? Pag a losing candidate daw, senatorial candidate may file a protest against the winner. What body will assume jurisdiction over the case? Ayan, meron yata dati. Sino nga yung nag-file ng na siya. I think it was Senator Loren Legarda before nung natalo siya nag-file. Ay, was it? Ayan, di ko alam, di ko na maalala. But anyways, gumastos talaga siya ng million para lang tapos hindi rin pala na ang results hindi talaga siya nakasama. Ayan. Anyways, that is Electoral Tribunal mga ma'am sir. Okay? It's composed of the sitting senators, the judges from the justices from the Supreme Court and sa Congress pa, congressmen from the House of Representatives, okay? Ayan. Anyways, pa-screenshot 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Next po. The least common multiple ay LCM of 2, 3, and 4. LCM mga ma'am sir ha, LCM, ladder method ulit tayo, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan, ladder method tayo. May common factor pa ba ang tatlo? Wala, pero si 2 at saka 4 meron. So 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Bring down 3. And then kasi hindi siya divisible ng 3, ng 2. And then 4 divided by 2, that is 2. O may common pa ba? Wala na po. Multiply lang natin yan mga ma'am sir. Lahat-lahat. 2 times 1 is 2 times 3 and times 2. That gives us 12 po. Okay? Ayan. Try ko dalhin sa kabila. Ayan. So that is 12 po. That is letter D. Okay? Ayan. Screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. Most asteroids are found between these two planets. Venus and Earth, Earth and Mars, Mars and Jupiter, or Jupiter and Saturn. Anong sagot natin dyan mga ma'am sir? Anong sagot natin dyan? Okay, ayan. So in this case, ang sagot natin dyan, of course, is Mars and Jupiter. Andun po yung asteroid belt. Okay? Ayan, asteroid belt. Asteroid belt. Andun po siya makikita, ha? Pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. When you carry a heavy load with one arm, you tend to hold your free hand away from your body in order to change the weight of your body, unload or change the mass of your body, or be ready to grab something in case you fall, or change the center of gravity of your body and load. Ayan. Oh, that is ayan, hindi natin puwedeng tamang sagot is letter D mga ma'am sir. The reason why na in-extend mo 'yun para ma-balance yung load na kine-carry mo sa isang kamay mo. I-extend mo tapos medyo i-bend mo konti yung ano mo para ma-balance yung center of gravity. Kasi 'pag hindi mo 'yun ginawa mga ma'am sir, ang try nyo, 'di ba matutumba kayo? Kasi nga yung center of gravity nyo, hirap kayong hirap nyong i-balance 'yon, okay? Pero 'pag naka-extend yung kamay nyo and the other side tapos medyo nakaano kayo konti, naka-slant or naka-bend ng konti yung body nyo, maaano nyo yung center of gravity. Hindi kayo matutumba nun. Okay? Hindi po i-change ang weight or i-change ang mass or i-ready. Letter C, hindi po yun. Para i-ready to grab something in case you fall. Ayan. Paano na lang kung wala pong something na mag-grab, di ba? Ayan. So, the reason behind there is to change the center of gravity. Okay? Ayan. Sige po, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. The elevator can carry a maximum load of 800 kilogram. How many passengers of weight 70.5 kilogram each can elevator hold? Ayan. O ilan daw mga ma'am sir? Ayan. Sige po. That is letter C. Hindi po 11 point something ha. Hindi po 11.4. Kasi nga, elevator po ito. Ang capacity niya, wala po tayong 0.4 na tao ha. Ayan, tandaan natin yan. Wala pong 0.4 or 1 half na tao or 1/3 na tao or 0.5 na tao, ganon. Okay? Or 0.7 na tao. Letter C tayo, 11 lang, whole na po. Hindi po natin pwedeng gawing 12 kasi nga pag 12 times 70.5, that exceeds the maximum load of 805, 'di ba? Ayan, sige. Maging ano na siya, 840 something. But anyways, pa-screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next po. In which part of the flower develop into seeds? Ano daw part ng flower na nagde-develop into seeds? Ayan, that is ovules. Ayan, seeds ha, seeds po ang ovules. Ayan, ovary po, this is fruits. Ayan, kasi nasa loob ng ovary yung ovules, di ba? Of course, yung seeds nasa loob ng fruits, o, di ba? Ayan, pistil, that is female part. Okay, andyan makikita yung style, stigma, and ovary and ovules. Okay, ayan, pa-screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Basta mag-mature ang ovary, fruits. Mag-mature ang ovule, seeds. Next tayo, which of the following demonstrates sublimation? Oh, sublimation na, pag sublimation, that is, ayan, solid to gas. Ayan, solid to gas natin. Letter, anong sagot? That is letter A. Dry ice evaporates, evaporating. Dry ice is solid. Tapos nag-evaporate, naging gas. Okay? Perspiration drying, this is liquid to gas. O, diba? Ayan. O, liquid to gas. Pag liquid to gas, mga ma'am sir, that is evaporation. Okay? Ayan, evaporation po. Hindi siya sublimation. Laundry dyeing, liquid to gas din. Same din. Okay? Ayan. Steam forming water droplets, that is condensation na po. This is gas to liquid. Okay? Ayan. This is condensation naman. Okay, ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last question. How much topsoil is needed to cover a garden? Uy, parang tapos na natin to. Ayan, so that is 500 cubic feet pa rin po. Okay? And anyways, ayan. Sige po, pa-screenshot na, tapos naman ito ma-screenshot. Pa-comment po na nga, I am ready mga ma'am sir. Let's start our run through para pag i-go over niyo yung video na to para lang sa familiarization, at least you know. Okay? Ayan, sige. Ayan, pa-comment po ng hashtag I am ready kung ready na sa rantro natin. Ayan, hello po, good evening everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Pa-comment po ng hashtag I am ready kung ready na sa rantro ang lahat. Okay? Ayan, sige po, sige po. Okay, ayan. So first question natin. First question natin. Which of the following is not a carbohydrate? Lactase. Lactase. Next, how much topsoil is needed to cover a garden 25 feet by 40 feet to a depth of 6 inches? That is 500. 500 cubic feet. 500 cubic feet. Next, which are limited only to the sale of real property and stock transactions? Capital gains. Capital gains. Capital gains. Next, ayan, which of the following methods can all diabetics control their condition and avoid heart disease and blindness? That is 1 and 2. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Next, one package is 100 pounds and the other is 150 pounds. The weight of the second package is how many times that of the first? That is 1.5. 1.5. 1.5 times heavier. Next, what correction should be made to the sentence? Firstborns often pattern their behavior after their parents and their and other adults. That is, letter C, replace their to their. Next, ano ang ipinahawatig ng salitang may salong guhit? Matayog ang lipad ni Pepe kaya't bata pa siya ay nagsikap na. That is, mataas ang pangarap ni Pepe. Mataas ang pangarap ni Pepe. Next, a carpenter wanted 3 pieces of wood, each 1.5 feet long. If he planned to cut them from a 6 foot piece of wood, how much of the piece would be left? That is 1.5. 1.5. Next, where in the cell does chromatin or the DNA found? That is nucleus. 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 Next, which are the next three terms in the progression 1 over 125, negative 1 over 25, or 1 over 5? That is letter D, negative 1, 5, and negative 25. Next, what corrections should be made to this sentence? Most fire-related deaths results from the household fires, yet many people do not have fire extinguishers in their homes. That is, change deaths with deaths. Next, to pass her English test, Lucille must get 75% of the items correct. Out of 80 questions, how many must she correctly answer? That is 60. 60. 60. Next, which is the best way to write the underlined portion of the sentence? That is and meet. And meet. Parallelism. Next, where in oh yeah, so that's nucleus again. Refers to the sequence of organisms in a community that constitutes a feeding chain. That is food chain, food chain, food chain. Next, excessive presence of carbon dioxide in the air, trapping heat near the Earth's surface, causing the rise in temperature in the environment is called greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Next, Siddhartha Gautama Buddha founded Buddhism not as a religion but to find nirvana. Find nirvana. Next, Sumerian civilization flourished in Mesopotamia. 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 Next, what value of x will make the proportion correct? 12 is to x is equal to 2.4 is to 5. That is 25. 25. 25. Next, there are 14 men in a committee consisting of 35 members. What is the ratio of women to men? That is 3-2. 3-2. 3-2. Next, plants and animals are both eukaryotes. 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 Next, a vehicle consumes 2.5 liters of gasoline to travel 30 kilometers to the nearest tent. How many liters of gasoline will it take the vehicle to travel 408 kilometers? That is 34, 34, 34. Next, the payment is due in October. In October. Next, what level of organization would result to the combination of two cells? Combination of two cells? Tissue, tissue, tissue. Next, what do we call a poem with 14 iambic lines and a specific rhyme scheme? That is sonnet, sonnet, sonnet. Next, 24% of what number is 4,320? That is 18,000, 18,000, 18,000. Next, what is the geometric shape of the earth? That is Oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. Next, how many neurons are present in a newborn baby? That is 100 billion. 100 billion. Next, what is the equivalent fraction of the decimal number 0.454545454545? That is 5 over 11. 5 over 11. Next, human reproduction. When an ovum is, in human reproduction, when an ovum is combined with a sperm, leading to the development of an embryo, this form of reproduction is called fertilization. 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 Next, my sister and I met an acquaintance of blank in the shopping mall. Ours. 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 Next, polysaccharides, polypeptides, and nucleic acids are classified as macromolecules. 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 Next, which of the following is the site of blood cell reproduction? Bone marrow. Bone marrow. Bone marrow. Next, change 13.5% to its fraction form. That is 27 over 200. 27 over 200. Next, in the periodic table, what does AG stand for? Silver, silver, silver. Next, what is the number invented by Indians to complete the Hindu-Arabic numerals? Zero, zero, zero. Next, which of the following is not a characteristic of life? Nerve impulses, nerve impulses, nerve impulses. Next, what is the product of a number and its reciprocal? That is 1, 1, 1. Next po, what measure of central tendency can best describe the size of t-shirts commonly used by teenagers? That is mode, mode, mode. Next, what number completes the sequence? 320, 440, 560, blank 800. That is 680. 680. Next, what fraction halfway between 37 and 47? One half. One half. One half. Next, which of the following best demonstrates the greenhouse principle? A car with rolled up windows. Next, a losing senatorial candidate may file a protest against the winner. What body will assume jurisdiction over the case? Electoral Tribunal. Electoral Tribunal. Next, the least common multiple or LCM of 2, 3, and 4 is 12, 12, 12, 12. Next, most asteroids are found between these two planets, Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. Next, when you carry heavy load with one arm, you tend to hold your free hand away from your body in order to change the center of gravity of your body and load. Next, the elevator can carry a maximum load of 805 kilogram. How many passengers of weight? 70.5 kilogram each can the elevator hold. That is 12, 11, 11, 11. Next, in which part of the flower develop into seeds? That is ovules, ovules, ovules. Next, which of the following demonstrates sublimation? Dry ice evaporating. Dry ice evaporating. Next, how much topsoil is needed to, that is 500. 500. Ayan. Sige, sige. Ayan, na-perfect na po ba sa rantro natin? Na-perfect po ba sa rantro natin? Ayan, sige po. Maraming salamat mga ma'am sir. And wag niyo pong kalimutan tapusin lahat i-take ang mga mock boards po natin. Okay? Ayan, sige po. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Good night. This is Teacher Seppi. See you after 3 days po. Ayan, maraming salamat. God bless po. God bless. Stay safe everyone.